this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the crunch stitch. If you're new to crochet or you're looking for an easy stitch with lots of texture, this is a great one to learn. It only uses two basic stitches, the half double crochet stitch and the slip stitch, but together they create a beautifully textured fabric that's the same on both sides, and it's perfect for dishcloths, washcloths, scarves, blankets, and so much more. So let's get started. For today's tutorial, you'll need yarn of your choice, a crochet hook that's the correct size for your yarn, and that doesn't necessarily mean that it's the size listed on the label. You can go up or down a size. So for example, if the label recommends using a 5mm hook, you can use any hook size between a 4mm and a 6mm. And if you're going to be finishing off and weaving in ends, you'll need scissors and a yarn needle. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, medium weight yarn, and my tutorials are in US crochet terms. We're going to start by chaining a multiple of 2 plus 1. I've made a chain of 15. We're going to skip the first chain and work a half double crochet stitch into the second chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. Now in the next chain, we're going to work a slip stitch. So insert, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on your hook. We're going to continue alternating a half double crochet stitch and a slip stitch. A half double crochet stitch and a slip stitch until we get to the end of the row. If you need a refresher on making the half double crochet stitch or the slip stitch, I've linked those tutorials in the description. Your last stitch should be a slip stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. The turning chain does not count as a stitch. Now we'll repeat the same pattern. In the first stitch, we'll make a half double crochet stitch, and in the next stitch, we'll make a slip stitch. Continue alternating across the row. Half double crochet and then a slip stitch. Half double crochet and then a slip stitch. Your half double crochet stitches are made into the slip stitch of the previous row, and your slip stitches are made into the half double crochet stitch of the previous row. Repeat this pattern until you reach the end of the row. Again, your last stitch will be a slip stitch, and be sure to pick up both loops of this stitch below. Every remaining row is worked in exactly the same way. Chain 1 and turn, and alternate 1 half double crochet stitch with 1 slip stitch right across the row. And that's all there is to it. With only 2 basic stitches, you can create a beautifully textured fabric that's both simple and impressive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet lessons for left-handed people. And if you have any questions, please pop them into the comments. Thanks for watching.